Tips for small accounts to gain better engagement and leads. Not only is this a great question, but it is such an exciting part of the journey. When it comes to content marketing, the formula that I like to use is value multiplied by volume. And the reason for this is when it comes time to content marketing, the two levers that we can pull is A, how valuable the content is, and B, how much volume of it that we do. The more valuable that the content is and the more volume of it that we do, the higher the chances of engagement and ultimately leads. At the start, we have to take our best guess at what value is. A really good starting point here is A, identifying our ideal niche, and B, identifying the pain points and ambitions of our ideal niche. Once we have identified what we think is valuable content, then the second step is to produce shitloads of it. And the reason for that is that value is in the eye of the beholder. We can test our thesis, but it is ultimately our audience that decides what is valuable and what is not valuable. And the more volume that we do, the faster we're going to get our results to find out what the audience finds valuable and what they don't find valuable. We then do more of what works, less of what doesn't, and continue to experiment in the interim. Content marketing, like anything else, is a learned skill, and repetition and consistently ultimately wins. And one last final thing, just because I think it's so important to mention. Nearly everyone underestimates the sheer amount of volume required to get consistent, predictable lead flow from content marketing.